What's up, everyone? As you guys probably already saw on that time, we are at the Lake Loch Ness. We're just gonna walk around this little city. I could not even pronounce it for you. I had the bus driver say it 3 or 4 times, but I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it because I'll botch it. But we are here. They have a couple gift shops. We're gonna walk around, check it out. And we have a little bit of a boat tour later, so that's gonna be a blast. So stay tuned for this day at Scotland because it's gonna be a blast. Guys, I have just spotted Nessie. Holy hell, there's 2, 3. There's 3 Nessies. Just had some food at this little Ness Deli. So if you guys do come over here by Lake Loch Ness ever, I really actually do recommend that little deli. It was actually really good. Krista got some mac and cheese. I got a panini. Came out pretty quick and was super delish. Now we're just going back to a harbor to catch a cruise to go back out onto the lake itself. We're gonna go all the way over here. As you can kind of see, that's where the castle is at. So catch us back when we are now on the cruise.
Of Loch Ness, the largest body of fresh water in Great Britain. On a clear day you can see the mountains of the Nevis Range, where the loch disappears beyond the horizon. The loch has welcomed many famous visitors over the centuries, including St. Columba, kings and would-be kings, famous royals, and of course, monstrous fish. Look to the shores and see famous landmarks and sights. Look to the skies and see wildlife in abundance. Look beyond the ship's bow and see some of the most beautiful scenery in Scotland. Look down into the dark waters and who knows what you might find.
here on the cruise deck.
Massive storms coming from behind us, and in 1715, the Great Storm of 1715, the winds were over 100 miles an hour and the waves were higher than this boat, and they lashed the tower, and that's when the southwest elevation
Holy
fell.
hell.